Hi, I am Tanvir. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to fix Shopify login page by disabling signing with shop option. After seeing the video, you will see how to add login icon and how to add registration and login page and lost password reset page in Shopify. Many beginners get confused because customer only see the shop page button instead of the normal email and password login. Don't worry, this fix is very easy without any coding. First, you need to log in your Shopify store. Then you need to click on setting. After clicking here, you need to write here customer account. Then you can see customer account option. After loading this one, you can see right option. Show sign up link in header of online store and checkout. Here have not an header option. Okay, I will enable this one. It's work now, and when I will reload this one and it will be off perfectly. It's off. Now I will click here to sign in. It's redirect to different place. It's redirect to here. But what I will do to get registration and password? Just I need to enable this on legacy. After enabling this on, you just need to wait some time to save it. We already have done, and I will reload this and check and login icon to see what happened. I will check here and it's working nice, very professionally. I think now you can do like me. Thank you so much. The tutorial is from WP Sale.